Stenciling produces an image by applying any medium of colors on any surface. In my video, I am using hot wax for my stenciling. Different patterns and geometrical designs can be created on the boxboard sheet and then cut the design with the paper cutter. Today I am going to start my stenciling with hot wax, but before I start the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. In this video I am using oval shapes for batik art. Cut the ovals and make the small ovals inside the oval shapes and cut them with a paper cutter or scissors. You can make different shapes in different sizes for your stenciling with the hot wax. We can create multiple designs with the different stencils. Place the shapes over the fabric and start to sprinkle the hot wax with the paintbrush. Sprinkle the wax over the fabric with paintbrush. Wax should be hot and do not take so much amount of wax on the brush. Sprinkle the wax gently. Your surroundings will little messy when you sprinkle the wax with brush, but the outcome will amazing. In second layer, place the shapes where you placed them in the layer 1. Remove the shapes and paint the fabric with the orange color and let it dry. In third layer, repeat the process like layer 1 and layer 2 and paint the fabric with the red color. Let the fabric dry after painting. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk ties, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the silk ties label. Thumbs up if you liked my video and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are visiting my channel for the first time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.